Guys, I'm still trying to wake up. Boy! Oh. Last night was a bit of a party. Let's be real. And getting up this morning. How many hours of sleep do you think we got last night, Dustin?
I got a solid 5.5, but that was.
If we went to bed at 1, yeah, 5 sounds about right.
It was about 5, and then I didn't sleep very well, so it's really about 3.
Tomorrow. Today's gonna be fun. Holy hell, we are here. We made her. Got our media passes. Not gonna lie, I kind of feel like Wayne and Garth off of Waynesville, just like. We can go wherever the hell we want.
I mean, pretty much. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Cody just gave us a rundown, told us where we can go. We can literally get all the way up, like on track by the tree in the middle. It's gonna be incredible. I'm super excited.
Definitely should get some good shots here.
Yeah, listen, if you can't find good shots for a video here, there's something wrong with you.
If you can't find the right tool in here, Mr. Arizona, you don't belong in a garage. Set of batteries. It's not even noon yet, and I'm just like, all right, I'm gonna take a break for a while, and then this pulls up. So Dustin and I were like, dude, it's only 10:30. We've been out there for what, an hour?
Yeah, I mean, really not that long.
We need to take a little bit of a break, so I'm gonna put my camera away for a little bit. Otherwise, I'm gonna just keep recording. I'm gonna be overwhelmed when I edit this. So
yeah, I shot 385 pictures already, and we were there for an hour.
So we're just gonna go enjoy ourselves for a little bit.
We're gonna vibe.
Put the cameras away for a little bit. Be people and just enjoy the day a little bit.
I gotta piss again too.
And you know, go take a piss. I've been sweating it out.
Get some water. I think water's important.
You say beer really weird, but all right. So Dustin tells me, he's like, dude, it's a good vibe here. You should definitely come to this truck event. It's like, I don't know, I'm on the fence. Friendliest people I met. It's $10 a beer here. I'm like, oh, that hurts. Every single person I've seen with the cooler, I was like, you wouldn't happen to have a beer for me.
You got one. Oh, God, look how red my arms are already. You see that?
Oh, you're going to be hurting, brother.
Toasty. No, it's good. I'll tan. It's not...
Do we see this?
What happened?
I think that's from the drag strip.
It is. That's what this is, too. I was trying to figure out what all this is. It's fucking rubber.
it's definitely not supposed to be in, but oh my gosh. Air conditioning, free beer. Just prime real estate. Dustin, before the day ends, thank you again for randomly messaging me and being like, hey, what are you doing in 2 weeks?
I'm so glad you came with, bro. This has been a blast.
It's been a good weekend.
I didn't know what to expect. I've never been. This is wild.
Same. And that's coming from a car guy, and I'm having a freaking blast.
Yeah, it's wild. It's just, there's something about high torque, high horsepower diesel
Dude,
engines.
they freaking
Just moving.
rip.
Just moving, yeah, faster than most production cars.
You ain't wrong. All right, he has 3 seconds left.
Good on him, bro. Good on him.
We're done.
We're
We're
done.
done for the day.
That's it.
Cameras are getting put away.
Pull the pin.
I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this day
Hell yeah.
and have a much needed drink at this point. Dustin, where are you at? You tired?
I'm getting a little tired. I'm pretty sweaty. I'm very sunburned, as you can see, and I'm ready to vibe.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So, guys, tomorrow's a new day. We're gonna be here for half the day probably, and then we gotta cruise back home. This is where we're gonna leave you at. Guys, if you enjoy my content, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy Dustin's. Dustin, what's your channel?
Dusty_LBZ.
Will be linked in the description. Hey, we'll see y'all tomorrow.